Hey guys, so for today's writing, you are going to be writing a persuasive text using Oreo. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch this YouTube video. Then you're going to, of course, hopefully watch my explanation, or maybe you're watching this first, hopefully. Then you're going to come into your Google Doc. There's a copy for everybody. And you're going to look at this anchor chart. There's also one located under anchor charts in your topics. If you go to classwork and you go under topics, there's writing anchor charts, and there's also a different Oreo, but it states the same thing. So Oreo persuasive writing. And how this works is when you start writing, first you state your O, or your opinion, which is a view that you have that some people disagree with. Puppies are the best. Pizza is my favorite food. You should only take a bath on Sundays. Those are all opinions. R, reasons. You tell why you feel this way, why that is your opinion. E, examples. You give evidence showing how this works, or why your reasons would work. And then O, opinion. You restate your view with feelings. Okay, so let's take a look at that in regards to today's assignment. Okay, O, opinion, a view that you have that some people disagree with. So our persuasive text today is, I believe we should go back to school. Okay, so let's say that everybody is healthy and everybody's ready, and we have the option to go back to school instead of doing online learning. So do you agree with going back to school if we could, or do you disagree with going back to school? And what I mean here by I want you to highlight your answer, that means that you're going to, again, this is your opinion, so there is no right or wrong answer. I'm going to put I agree, and then I'm going to come up here and use the highlighting color and pick any color that I want to highlight my opinion so that Ms. Salas knows what I'm going to be writing about. Okay, so then that's what it's going to look like. Now, opinion. Remember, you can always go back and review the anchor chart. So a view that you have that some people disagree with. So I really wish we could go back to school. I love being at school. I think this would be the best idea. I'm sorry, and I forgot the word co. That's why you see why there's a squiggly there? And it gives you a suggestion, okay? So make sure that when you see a squiggly, that means that you've made a mistake. You can look at the suggestion and then insert it, okay? I really wish we could go back to school. I love being at school. I think this would be the best idea. Reasons, tell why you feel this way. Okay. So our classroom is so fun to be in, to be a part of. I miss looking at all the books and reading them with my friends. I would like to give hugs to all my students. Okay, so there's a couple of my reasons. Of course, I have many, many more for wanting to go back to school. Now, examples give evidence showing how this works. So when you're writing your explanation or your examples, you're feeding off of your reasons, right? You're feeding off of what you previously wrote, which is your reasons and your opinions. So let's say, for example, okay? So let's see, I miss looking at all the books and reading them with my friends. Every Tuesday, we would go to the library and then read our new books in our classroom, right? In the mornings, we would come in to eat breakfast, but we started every morning with a hug, right? Or a high five, because some of you guys liked high fives instead. That's cool. So in the mornings, we would come in to eat breakfast, but we started every morning with a hug or a high five. This always make me have a great day. Okay? So again, you're giving your reason why you feel, you think we should go back to school, and then explaining why your reasons are the best or why your reasons work, right? Okay, and again, you can put that you disagree with going back to school. It's totally fine. I understand. Give me your reasons. Like, I like to be in my pajamas all day. I like to eat snacks while I work. I like to do my work outside. I like to take my time. There are a lot of good reasons for each opinion. Okay, so again, there is no right or wrong answer. What I'm looking for is you stating your opinion and you giving me the reasons and giving me different examples why this is the best idea for you. Okay, and then the last O, I'm going to come up here and review. Restate your view with feelings. Okay, I miss school so much. Mm, I love being a part of a classroom family, and I think we should all be together in school, right? So again, there is no right or wrong answer. What I'm looking for is for you to state your opinion, give me reasons, give me examples, and restate your opinion. Mine was very, very simple. There's a lot more that I can write, but I want to see what you feel, how you feel, and I want to see why. Why do you feel that way? If we had the option to go back to school or to not go back to school, what do you think? How do you feel? Okay, I'm super excited to read these.